skin hurts, especially in winters. But you can prevent that with SkinQ's Hydrate Serum. Let me show you how good it is. This is a hydrate meter. It shows you the level of moisture in your skin. Let's take a pre and post reading before and after applying the Hydrate Serum. The first reading for Navneeta's hand is 25 for moisture and 40 for oil. Let's see what happens to Navneeta's hand once we apply the SkinQ's Hydrate Serum. It feels light and good coverage. Let's take a reading with the hydrate meter. There you see, the reading has jumped to 99.9 on moisture level and the oil level has come down to just 19. The hydrate serum tends to keep your hydration intact for up to 12 hours with sodium hyaluronate, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E and provitamin B5. This is the perfect recipe for your winter. Try it today.